Alright folks, so this time it's a level 2. So what it is, you're going to be playing the melody as you're playing the chords. So it takes a little bit of coordination, but some people do prefer playing the melody when you're not having someone else singing for you. So we're going to dive into that. To be able to play the melody, you need to kind of have a foundation on playing up a scale. Okay, scale of this song that I just taught about, You Are My Sunshine, is C scale. And C scales are very easy to play. Basically what it is, it's a C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Okay, now if you just use one finger to play all the scale, even though you did play a scale, but it doesn't look very nice. Just like typing with two fingers, right? You want to type with all your fingers to look like you're actually typing. So with that said, piano as well, you want to use multiple finger to make it more efficient. So you put your hands down and thumb on the C. This is called C position. And then 1, 2, 3. And then goes a thumb under the middle finger. F, G, A, B, C. Okay? Okay, good. Now, some people are able to tell where the melody would be. Some I have to point it out. So, and in this case, You Are My Sunshine will be hidden in this scale, starting from here actually. Yeah, so 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, right? Or C, C, D, E, E. The reason I'm calling it 1, 1, 2, 2 is that in the key of C, 1 is C. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 3. So in that way, you know the spatial orientation here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so we're gonna call out the numbers for now. Okay, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 2, 3, 1, 1. Okay, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then not 5, but it's going to be 6. So you're going to be reaching your finger, 6, 6, and then you're going to use next finger to run down, 5, 4, 3, and then go back to C position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, and then skip to 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 1. Cool. I know you could using the notations to read the music, but that's going to take a much longer time, and that's another part of a way to play the piano. But I think what we want to do is we want to play a song just quickly. So we're going to be just memorizing this melody with the direction. That's basically what we're doing. Cool. Okay, so, and what would you do in the left hand? Left hand, you'll be playing a chord. So you're gonna put a pinky on a C, and then skip the one note, and then play the next notes, and then skip one note and next notes. All right? Okay. And then if you watch the level 1 courses, the F chord will be same shape, and you move down to pinky on the F, and then skip every other note. And then go back to C notes. Okay? Cool. So we're going to be using these 2 chords to play the rest of it. Okay? Alright, here we go. Let's dive into it. Alright, so just watch this few times and then see how it feels. Sometimes it's just easier to play chords and sing along, and also it can be sound pretty nice because it sounds fuller. But if you're having a challenge of singing and then you would rather play the melody, this is the way to go. It's much harder, but this is something that some people prefer. So let's check out the next course if you like, and just what kind of way of playing is most fitting for you. All right, thank you. Bye bye.